For those that might be clueless, a duplex is a house with two separate units and private entrances. Each unit will have a front door, a driveway, a kitchen, amenities, and pretty much everything else you'd expect from a standalone home. The only difference is their mailing address may often be different, such as 5A Duplex Street and 5B Duplex Street. The good news is that you can buy a duplex for investment purposes and live there while leasing or renting out the other half of the house. This is a method that is most often referred to as house hacking by real estate investors. Since you clicked on this video, a question you might be asking is, should I buy a duplex and rent out the other half? Not to worry, because this is exactly what I'll answer in this video. And stick around because I'll give you all the pros and cons of house hacking as an investment property. Welcome back, landlords. If you love real estate, owning rental properties and investing, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to watch our videos every day to stay up to date in the world of real estate. With the help of a competent realtor in your neighborhood, first-time homebuyers and investors frequently turn to investing in a duplex, one of the underrated heroes of the real estate industry. They would have access to a home and a finance investment all in one property. I mean, come on. Can you not see what it is like to kill two birds with one stone? But is buying a duplex, living in it, and then renting it out a smart idea or something you'll end up regretting down the road? What are the differences between a duplex and a single-family home? Given that a house is essentially just one unit under one roof, a duplex is different from a freestanding home because a duplex consists of two different homes that share a common roof but have separate entrances and facilities. A duplex has two flats that can be arranged either horizontally with one apartment on top of the other or vertically with the apartment standing side by side like a modern version of a semi-detached house. Buying a duplex and renting out half of it is a form of house hacking. What exactly does house hacking refer to? A typical house hack entails buying a house and renting it out to a tenant who would then pay you rent annually. A duplex is one of the most convenient and comfortable house hacks. Basically, with an FHA loan, a first-time homebuyer can buy a duplex for as little as 3% down. Your housing costs will be reduced by renting out the extra unit, and you'll have the chance to gain landlord experience while being able to keep a tight check on your money and your tenants. Which do you think is better, house hacking a duplex or renting a room? In other words, it is easier to rent out a room in your home or share a duplex with a roommate. Both options provide you the chance to earn extra cash, but renting a room is typically less practical financially. What are the cons with renting out a room? Renting rooms can be challenging since it requires sharing common areas. It also means that you have to establish a lot more ground rules around shared places, how to handle utility payments, and how to handle a strained relationship with your roommate. Renting out individual rooms while house hacking can be more trouble than it's worth because most people prefer to have their own place. Because both you and your tenant have a separate living space, a duplex is a simpler solution. This is because duplex hacking prohibits sharing of the kitchen and discussion about who should clean the bathrooms. Instead of purchasing a single-family house, purchasing a duplex guarantees that you will always have your own space and earn income from a renter. You may ask yourself what you stand to gain by house hacking a duplex. Keep watching because I'm going to highlight exactly some of the things you should know. The opportunity to live for free. You may have heard that if you live in a duplex and rent out half of it, you can live for free, but that all relies on your costs, which may include your mortgage, taxes, maintenance, and other related fees. You can use the rent that a tenant pays you each month to help offset your expenses. Hopefully, as you gradually raise your rent and keep your mortgage rate stable, your cash flow will also increase. If you want to make more money in the future, save up to buy a new duplex and try renting out both sides to different tenants. What are the tax benefits with owning a duplex? When you purchase a duplex to live in and rent out the other half, you are regarded as an owner-occupant. For your share of the property, you'll be entitled to the same deductions as other homeowners. However, on Schedule E of your taxes, you must declare the earnings and costs related to your renter. All dual-use expenses including garbage collection, lawn care, and snow removal may be partially deductible. To find out more about the tax benefits that may apply when you sell an owner-occupied duplex, speak with a tax expert to learn more. Eligibility for a bigger mortgage. You might be able to use the income from the rent of the occupied property to assist qualifying for a larger loan, depending on the sort of mortgage you're asking for. Taking on an enormous loan would be dangerous, but depending on the house you want to buy and your financial situation, it can certainly make sense. Discovering what it means to be a landlord. House hacking a duplex allows you to start the business without having to drive to check on your rental or make the required repairs. You'll be able to stay in touch with your tenants and be proactive in attending to any needs they may have if you live on site. Your tenants may decide to extend their lease for several years if they believe they have a responsive landlord. You're going to save both time and money. You won't need to promote the property, display the unit, or handle open positions. In comparison to needing to locate new tenants every year, you'll probably make more money when tenants renew the lease. But what are the drawbacks of having tenants occupy half of your home? Walls and shareable spaces. If you share a duplex with your tenants, you will share some common spaces with them, including walls. That is, if it's not well soundproofed. If you have never previously lived in a multi-family setting, this could lead to privacy and noise issues. Although there is a large distance separating you and your renters, they are now your closest neighbors. That can work out nicely even with fantastic tenants, but it can also be very uncomfortable for you. Think carefully about how you'll manage the stress of having new neighbors who might be difficult to live with. Increased utility cost. If you had utilized rental revenue to get a bigger mortgage, you would have to pay more each and every month. When buying a more expensive property, taxes are also more expensive. If you live in a rental property, your utility costs may increase. The cost of replacing large appliances, water heaters, furnaces, and air conditioners must also be budgeted for. A larger house will have a higher roof cost. In terms of repairs, you'll additionally need to maintain more sinks and toilets. Although the rent you receive will help you pay for a significant percentage of your expenses, you must make sure you're saving enough money to prevent going into debt to cover your costs. Evictions and damages. It might be challenging to separate feelings from your rental business when it's also your home. Even if you know your tenant well, there is still a danger that they will do damage to your home or stop paying the rent. How well do you handle conflict? What about having a tenant break a lease? Are you prepared to evict them? You need to consider a number of factors personally before choosing to purchase a duplex for house hacking. Are you able to share a home with your tenants? The reason is that even though you won't technically be roommates, your tenants might share your driveway, backyard, or other common portions of your house. Now, you might not be concerned about this, but someone who values solitude and order may find it very difficult. Make sure your partner or spouse is actually in favor of the proposal and isn't just agreeing because of the potential financial gain. Do you intend to rent half part of your duplex to relatives or friends? You might just want to reconsider your plan if you're considering buying a duplex with the idea that family or friends will rent out the other half. There is a reason for the caution against combining business and pleasure, even though it may be a wise decision for certain people. What happens if a family member or friend can't pay the rent if you buy a duplex to make money? If you wind up losing money or having to evict someone you know well, you will surely be putting your relationship to the test. Is it worth buying a duplex and renting out the other half? Living in one unit while renting out the other might be a terrific way to generate income for household costs. Nevertheless, purchasing a duplex might not be a suitable fit for your way of life if you or your partner are worried about becoming a landlord or living next to your tenants. Before you make any decisions, carefully examine the advantages and disadvantages of this kind of living situation, and compare the prospective financial rewards with how residing in a duplex may affect your quality of life. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so it can be spread to more people. I want to give you a step-by-step guide on house hacking a duplex. That's why we have the perfect video that will explain exactly how. So click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.